Do 100 million trees crash Enscape? Let's see. After lots of learning, let's have some fun. In this video, I'm going to place 1, 100, 1000, 100,000 and 1 million trees in Enscape to see if it crash. You can see my system configuration in here. It's not that high end, but it's a good system, and I work comfortably with Enscape in my projects. With one tree it works fine and we don't have any problem. Let's go and let's make it 10. It's 10 and it's working with 10 too. So let's make it 100. Now you can see 100. We don't have any problem with CPU and RAM, but the VRAM usage is a lot. And now let's make it 1000. Now we are in the 1000. It's a little bit laggy when I'm navigating, but the VRAM usage is less. I don't know how, but it's working fine. And let's make it 10,000. Okay, it's really laggy, but it's not crashing yet. But the VRAM again went to 50. Now you can see it's a little bit laggy, but let's see how it works in 100,000. I'm worried about Revit right now. Maybe Revit would crash, but let's see which one will crash first. Okay, now we are on 100,000. Let's see how it works. It's so laggy in Revit itself. Okay, we have it in Enscape, but it's kind of freeze and I can't do anything. Yeah, it's not working. Let's try to zoom a little bit. Maybe it's 1 frame per 10 seconds or something like that. But let's see how 1 million trees works out. You can see we have problems even with Revit itself, and it can't show that amount of lines and trees. Let me select all of it and let's start copying. I think it will stop working on Revit or Enscape around 500,000, but let's see. Because it took lots of time to just copy it to 200,000, I will pause Enscape and I will try to copy all of them and resume to see if Enscape crashes. After creating 200,000 of those trees, the Revit itself doesn't allow me to copy. When I select all of them, it just shows nothing even after 10 or 10 minutes. So we can say the Enscape didn't crash after 200,000, but Revit stopped working. If you want more good videos like this, make sure to comment down below, and if you want to get your own Enscape custom assets, make sure to go to the ecasset.com. You can find the link in the description.